Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm going to be changing out my shaft pots in my guitar, and I didn't find any great information online on where to measure these. So you don't have to be scared. I'm going to be replacing these pickups with these EMGs. I'm not really going to be showing any of that. This was just about shaft pots. So you just take one of these rags here. This is one of the coolest waves I've seen, and wrap it around the knob. And I can't really do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put the camera down and do it with two hands because I didn't have any leverage. So there we go, no more knobs. So you can actually just take these out with like a little socket. I don't know why I have those vice grips right there. I didn't actually use them. So I loosen those up and they come right off. And so you can just push those right through there. Yep, then you can just take those out, and that's what you're going to want to measure right there, is where those threads are. As you can see, these are pretty corroded and nasty. So I'll be putting the EMG shaft pots in there too. 500K pots for humbuckers usually. Alright, so then you got your shaft pot here, and yeah, play with that a little bit. Ooh, nice. Nice and corroded there. So if you take a look at the tape measure there, that little 1 on the bottom is equivalent to 10 millimeters, and obviously if it's 19, that's going to be about twice as long. So those threads are 10 millimeters right there. So that's it, guys. Thanks a lot.